You've never seen a 4x4 camper van like this before. With insane off-road capabilities, a luxury interior, and features that make you go, wow! These 4x4 vans are redefining adventure. Don't go anywhere. This is something you have to see. Discoverer Xtreme 825. The Xtreme is a dream machine for adventurers who want both rugged off-road capability and luxurious living. Built around an IVECO Daily 4x4 chassis, it features an ingenious French bed design that maximizes space efficiency, offering a nice bed with storage underneath and even a bathroom conveniently placed next to it. Inside, you'll find high-gloss finishes that give the interior a bright, modern feel, along with amenities like a large shower with a Truma Combi 6 diesel heater, ample storage with soft-close drawers and cupboards, and check this out, even a compact 3-kilogram washing machine accessible right through your bathroom. It's a beast when it comes to power as well, thanks to a 24-volt electrical system featuring an 8 kilowatt-hour battery bank, a 5,000-watt inverter, and a high-output alternator that delivers over 3,000 watts of charging power, perfect for running high-power appliances. Off-road features include air suspension, a Runway 7-ton winch, and some very unique safety pins to monitor loose nuts during rugged adventures. Outside, you'll find a gas stove-equipped kitchen, a UV water treatment system, and a sleek wood box for firewood storage. So it's safe to say they've thought of everything. Designed for serious off-roaders who refuse to compromise on comfort, the Discoverer Xtreme is a top-tier choice for extended off-grid adventures. Sportsmobile Classic. The Sportsmobile Classic is a versatile and rugged 4x4 camper van designed for adventure enthusiasts who crave both comfort and capability. Built on a Ford Econoline cutaway chassis, this modern camper combines classic aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. Its fiberglass body, flared for extra interior space, retains the iconic Econoline look while enhancing off-road performance. Inside, the van offers a cozy living space with a convertible sofa bed, perfect for naps between hikes, swivel seats for impromptu living room dance parties, and a fully customizable interior, including a 12-volt refrigerator, microwave, and optional induction cooktop for gourmet campfire cuisine. Powered by a robust 450 amp-hour lithium battery system and 200-watt solar panels, the van ensures off-grid sustainability, capable of running appliances for days, or until the beer runs out. The pop-up roof provides standing room and an additional sleeping area, while the exterior features an awning, shower, and ample storage for gear and recovery equipment. Equipped with a Dynatrac Pro Rock 60 front axle, custom Fox suspension, and 35-inch tires, the Sportsmobile Classic is built for rugged terrain. Its durable Raptorliner coating resists scratches and weather, making it ideal for outdoor adventures, 'cause, you know, mud is just nature's way of saying hi. XBull X740. Built on the robust Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 419 4x4 chassis, this beast of a vehicle starts with a 190 horsepower V6 engine, a locked rear axle, and massive 265 or 285 AT tires mounted on Delta rockers, making it ready to conquer any terrain. Priced at over 300,000 euros, its pièce de résistance, if you didn't notice, is the rooftop terrace, perfect for sipping your morning coffee while pretending you rule over the wilderness. Inside, it's so feature-packed that you'll wonder why your apartment isn't this well designed. The kitchen block features a 70-liter fridge, an oven, a 2-burner cooker, and a molded sink, while the longitudinal bathroom boasts a dry separation toilet, a floor-level shower, and clever storage solutions. The seating area can accommodate up to 5 people with options for a freestanding table or a wall-mounted version. The bench can be expanded to include a second belt-protected seat, perfect for extra guests. And how can we forget the rear bed with mechanically adjustable height, ensuring maximum comfort? Onboard technology is equally impressive, with a 200 amp-hour lithium battery, expandable to 400 or 800 amps, an EFOI fuel cell, a large inverter, and electric underfloor heating, all controllable via a smartphone app or central touch display. The garage is massive enough to fit bikes or even a motorbike, though squeezing one in might require a degree in Tetris. Standard features include a side ladder, rear rack, electric awning, and a spare wheel carrier. Freedom 4X utility. This beast by Project Yonder is more than a camper van. It's an off-road powerhouse dressed to impress. Built on the rugged Mercedes Sprinter 419 chassis, this 4x4 marvel is built to conquer dirt roads and fuel your adventures. Its Raptor-coated panels are tougher than cast iron, and Black Rhino KO2 tires grip the terrain like a toddler clutching a cookie. Outside, it's equipped with Dutch van parts, including a Camp 2 roof rack, a 50-inch LED light bar, and laser grill lamps bright enough to signal aliens. Inside, it's a cozy cabin on wheels, fully insulated and winterized to laugh at cold weather. Truma diesel heating keeps it warm, while the 48-volt electrical system, powered by 800 amp-hour lithium batteries and 300-watt solar panels, ensures you stay off-grid longer than anyone would believe. The kitchen boasts a 2-ring induction hob, a full-size sink, and a 150-liter fridge with a freezer. Sleep soundly on a 6-foot 8-inch bed with a temperature-regulating mattress, and enjoy the space-saving shower toilet combo. Outdoor enthusiasts will love the electric barbecue, outdoor sink, and fridge, perfect for enjoying epic views. Stay connected with Starlink Wi-Fi, whether you're working remotely or streaming your favorite shows. Winnebago Revel. The 2025 Winnebago Revel isn't just a camper van. It's your ultimate adventure partner, minus the snack stealing or music critiques. Built on a rugged Mercedes-Benz all-wheel drive chassis, it's powered by a punchy 4-cylinder engine that delivers more torque, quieter operation, and better fuel efficiency. But the real game changer is the Winnebago PowerMax system, featuring Lithionics 51-volt lithium batteries with a massive 16.8 kilowatt-hour capacity. Translation: you can charge your gadgets, run all your appliances, and still have enough power to light up a small concert in the middle of nowhere. A 7,800-watt alternator recharges the system in just 2.5 hours, and optional solar panels can boost capacity to 1,600 watts. Oh, and those batteries? They've survived 22,000-pound crush tests, so your overpacking is no match for them. Inside, the Revel shines with plush 5-inch mattresses, modular seating for versatile lounging, and a redesigned bathroom door. The kitchen gets an upgrade with an extended countertop and induction cooktop, making gourmet meals on the road a breeze. Stay cozy with the updated Timberline heating system and Thinsulate insulation. Outside, it's built for adventure with black oak spotlights, a fixed rear ladder for rooftop access, and sleek laser-etched branding that screams style. Add a 35-gallon water tank, improved storage, and an intuitive digital control panel, and the only thing left to decide is where to go first. Beast Mode. The Beast Mode by Storyteller Overland is a game-changing 4x4 Mercedes Sprinter camper van designed for adventurers who crave both comfort and capability, and maybe a little bit of showing off at the campground. Built to tackle off-road terrain, it features upgraded agile off-road suspension, an onboard air compressor, a front brush guard, and off-road lights, ensuring a smooth and confident ride. Inside, the Beast Mode is a haven of modern amenities, powered by a robust 12-kilowatt battery system that can run the air conditioning for up to 10 hours, a fridge, and even an electric kettle simultaneously. With a 21-gallon freshwater tank and a Berkey water filtration system, staying hydrated and comfortable is effortless. No need to ration water like you're in a survival reality show. The van's boost mode automatically starts the engine to recharge the battery when it drops to 20%, ensuring uninterrupted power for extended off-grid stays. It's like having a personal assistant, but for your van. Thoughtful design touches like swiveling chairs and instant hot water make it feel like home on wheels. Whether you're camping under the stars, exploring remote trails, or simply enjoying a cold cerveza after a day of adventure, the Beast Mode delivers unmatched versatility and reliability. Vanworx MaxTraxx. The MaxTraxx by Vanworx transforms the VW Crafter or the MAN TGE 4x4 into a rugged off-grid exploration vehicle, blending functionality with style. Built on medium or long wheelbase platforms with 4-motion all-wheel drive, and a locking differential, this camper van is designed for adventure. Inside, it offers a traditional European layout, tailored for UK right-hand driving, with options for 2 or 4 sleepers. The 2-sleeper includes a wet bath, while the 4-sleeper swaps it for a second bed, portable toilet, and outdoor shower. Both models feature a Webasto diesel heater/water boiler for hot water. The kitchen, equipped with a dual-burner induction cooktop, sink, and Dometic fridge/freezer, sits near the sliding door, opposite a dinette with swivel seats. The rear houses a high-mounted bed with underbed storage. Outside, the MaxTraxx boasts a cycle suspension lift, skid plates, rock sliders, and a snorkel, complemented by a full-length roof rack, laser rally lights, and a Thule awning. A discreet Warn winch and BF Goodrich all-terrain tires on 18-inch Delta wheels enhance off-road capability. Starting at 70,000 pounds, approximately $88,000, the MaxTraxx combines practicality with a touch of flair, making it the ultimate adventure-ready camper van.